we were raised on a lie. We were told that the path to financial security was simple. Work hard, live below your means, save the difference. But in 2026, prudence is being punished. If you have $100,000 sitting in a high-yield savings account earning 4%, while the real-world cost of the assets you actually want, real estate, healthcare, and high-quality equities, is rising at 10 to 12%, you are not saving. You are bleeding. Silently. What feels like discipline is actually decay. You are watching your life's energy evaporate in real time, liquidated by a system you did not design and cannot control. The math is cold, and it does not care how hard you work. According to historical data from the World Bank, the purchasing power of the dollar has declined by over 90% in the last century. Let that sink in. What $1 could buy now requires 10. But here's what most people miss. The acceleration we're seeing today is faster and more aggressive. When central banks inject trillions into the system, they are not creating wealth. They are diluting it. Every new unit of currency introduced reduces the value of the ones you already hold. Your savings are not stable. They are being taxed invisibly. This is the inflationary tax, and it doesn't ask for permission. Saving money in this environment is like trying to hold water in your hands. The tighter you grip, the faster it slips away. The wealthy understand something most people don't. They do not save money, they position capital. There is a difference. Saving is static, positioning is strategic. In a high inflation environment, currency is a liability. Productive assets are protection. The game is no longer about accumulation, it's about allocation. Micro execution. Audit your cash today. Keep only what you need for 90 days of living expenses. Everything above that is excess exposure. Then begin a systematic rotation into assets that move faster than inflation. Global equities, hard assets, systems that generate yield. You are not trying to grow money. You are trying to preserve purchasing power and expand it. You don't need a bigger savings account. You need velocity. The saver mindset belongs to a different era, a time when money held its value and the system rewarded patience. That era is over. Today, security does not come from what you keep. It comes from what you own and what you control. Right now, there are two types of people. Those being quietly taxed by inflation, and those who understand the system and position themselves above it. You can continue saving and fall behind slowly, or you can become an asset architect. Someone who understands that cash is not safety, it is exposure, and ownership is the only real hedge. Stop saving for a rainy day when the flood is already here. If you want more insights like this on how the economy is shifting and how to position yourself ahead of it, follow the channel. Because here, we don't just talk about money. We talk about how to build systems that protect and grow it.